Hello and welcome to another Sparrow Exteriors product showcase. Today we're going to be taking a look at several of today's top manufacturers of synthetic cedar shake. Now this will provide a brief overview of each and is in no way intended to be exhaustive. Now if you've ever owned a home or a building that had real cedar shake or shingles for your roof, well then you know that no matter how beautiful it may have been, the maintenance and upkeep can become rather overwhelming. Sparrow Exteriors is based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and our main market typically sees cedar roofs last between 8 to 15 years. That's a relatively short lifespan given the initial out-of-pocket expense for such a specialty roof system. So there are steps that we take when we install a cedar roof to help extend this lifespan, such as using a #1 grade pressure-treated heavy cedar shake over an engineered cedar breather substrate. So a cedar roof installed by us with regular maintenance can meet or exceed 30 years. But our approach is pretty rare for this market. Some of the reasons cedar roofing has generally a low lifespan is due in part to contractors using less than quality materials and installation practices. But just as often, a factor for the short lifespan is that of our climate. The alternating heat and cold, the dry and humid air, really going back and forth season after season, wreak havoc on a natural cedar shake. Advancements in technology have resulted in not only some very intelligently engineered synthetic shake roof systems, but some very attractive and authentic looking ones as well. These products, once installed, are often hard to distinguish from their natural counterparts. Up first, we're going to be taking a brief look at DaVinci Roofscapes. Now, DaVinci offers essentially three main synthetic cedar shake lines. They have their Bella Forte, their single width, and their multi-width. Bella Forte are interlocking 12-inch wide tiles with multiple profiles that simulate a thick, multi-width, and staggered cedar shake look. It's really a beautiful looking roof system. And like all of DaVinci's products, they're available in a very wide variety of colors. The tiles are non-porous, so this means they do not absorb water. They're also embedded with state-of-the-art UV and color stabilizers, so they resist curling, cracking, fading, mold, algae, fungus, and even insects. Bella Forte Shake have a Class A fire rating. They resist winds up to 110 miles per hour. They boast a Class 4 impact resistance, which is the highest impact resistance that you can get. They have a Miami-Dade code approval, and they come with a lifetime limited warranty. Bella Forte is DaVinci's most economical product offering, and this makes its price tag as attractive as the materials themselves. Now, Sparrow Exteriors is a DaVinci masterpiece contractor, so having met DaVinci's highest standards, there are optional manufacturer-backed warranties and incentives that we can provide that other contractors simply cannot. In fact, Sparrow Exteriors received DaVinci's 2016 Project of the Year Award as a national recipient for one of our Bella Forte shake installations. Now moving on to DaVinci's single and multi-width profiles, these two offerings are essentially the same product with one important note of distinction. Single width shake is, as the title suggests, a profile of one uniform 9-inch width. And this offers a consistent, clean, and simple design. Whereas DaVinci's multi-width shake is available in 9, 8, 7, 6, and 4-inch widths. Both single and multi-width allow for the tiles to be staggered, but for a non-repeating, highly textured aesthetic, installing the multi-width with a staggered exposure is definitely the way to go. Both single and multi-width profiles boast the same impressive engineering as Bella Forte while allowing for a more custom installation. However, recently, DaVinci has introduced a new line of color blends for their single and multi-width shake called the Nature Craft Collection. These colors are stunning, they're gorgeous, but as of this recording, they're not yet available in the Bella Forte profile. Moving on to Brava Roof Tiles Cedar Shake, this product also boasts a 50-year limited manufacturer-backed warranty, a Class 4 impact rating, and is available in either Class A or Class C fire ratings. Brava offers a 5, 7, and 12-inch width, which can be installed in a staggered or uniformed exposure. We love the appearance of the staggered multi-width. It's just absolutely stunning. EnviroShake is available in any color or custom color imaginable, and this makes the product the most easiest to customize to your specific project's vision. Brava's blending of colors within the tiles is varied, and it offers a very natural appearance. The color and beauty of these tiles cannot be overstated. They look simply amazing. Once installed, this product offers the same beauty of a natural shake roof, but with virtually none of the maintenance or upkeep. Sparrow Exteriors is proud to be a featured Brava contractor. Up next is CeDUR. That's Cedar spelled with a U. CeDUR has done a great job of capturing the natural appearances and deep grain of cedar shake, but without any sort of plastic or sheen appearance. As with all of the products featured here, CeDUR does not absorb water or promote mold and mildew growth, nor does it split, rot, or warp. CeDUR also boasts a 50-year limited material warranty, a Class A fire rating, Class 4 impact rating, and is certified to 115 mph wind speeds. These impressive performance measures often result in a reduced insurance premium. The tiles are available in 4 natural colors, and the pigment permeates all the way through the tiles. Now, this tile is solid, and it actually offers additional R value when you're considering insulating your home or building. Sparrow Exteriors is pleased to have partnered with CeDUR, who has recognized our reputation for quality work and service. Another manufacturer to consider is that of EcoStar. EcoStar offers 2 different shake alternatives, Seneca Shake and Enviroshake. Seneca is a thinner profile, making it more of an alternative to cedar shingles, and is available in 11 standard colors. It comes with a 50-year limited material warranty, Class C fire rated, resistant to 110 mph winds, and is Class 4 impact resistant. EcoStar's Enviroshake boasts the same specs as Seneca, but is also available in a Class A fire rating. It's Miami-Dade approved and is resistant to fungal growth. It is available in the same 6, 9, and 12-inch widths, but it offers a thickness of 3/8 and 3/4 to provide more thicker appearance and variation. Enviroshake is another great-looking cedar shake alternative, and it's made from 95% recycled materials. Enviroshake can withstand winds in excess of 180 mph. Like everything else we've looked at here, it's warranted against rotting, cracking, splitting, warping. It's mold and mildew resistant, and it comes with a Class A fire rating and a Class 4 impact resistance. And it's all backed by a 50-year limited lifetime warranty. Enviroshake is available in 3 colors and 8 different profiles. It's installed in much the same way as a cedar shake roof, and is meant to have a 9-inch exposure, but this can be reduced slightly to provide for a staggered exposure. Inspire is another prominent manufacturer of synthetic cedar shake roof systems. Their Arcella Shake provides a very thick appearance designed to avoid rot, cracking, splitting, the issues common with authentic wood roofing. The tiles also boast a Class A fire rating, 110 mph wind uplift rating, as well as a Class 4 impact rating. Like the other products we featured here, Inspire's Arcella Shake is backed by a 50-year limited lifetime warranty. And like everything else we've looked at, insurance companies often offer reductions in premiums as a result of the safety this product offers. There are 2 main exposure options, 9 1/4 as well as 10 1/4 inch, and it can be installed in a non-repeating, staggered, or straight application. As we've hopefully demonstrated here today, there are plenty of options on the market today for those seeking a well-engineered and beautiful alternative to natural cedar shake roofing. Of course, the appearance, warranties, and costs all vary, so we strongly encourage everyone to see actual samples in person and receive quotes based on what products you prefer. Sparrow Exteriors is an award-winning home improvement and restoration contractor known and respected for our expertise with such systems. If you have questions, need samples, or would like an estimate, please do not hesitate to call or email us, as we would be glad to help you. Thanks for watching, and remember to trust your nest to the very best.